What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restocking video. I am so excited because in 1 hour it is literally going to be Black Friday and the shop is going to be open with a bunch of different discounts. I am so thankful for you all, so I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. Let's go over some of these deals real quick. So first let me start off by saying that these deals and these discounts are only going to be active on Friday for Black Friday obviously. So only on Friday you can use code Black Friday for 30% off your entire order. Also the first 50 orders are going to get one free 8 ounce that I'm going to be showing you all soon. Also, every single order is going to be getting a free wristband, and of course for the unicorn experience, if you order 5 or more slimes, you're going to get a free pop socket and a free 8 ounce slime, which is exciting. And another thing that's exciting, all slime is going to be discounted $2. So with the discounted slimes already in the shop plus that coupon code, you could get some major savings and you could possibly even get some things for free, which is amazing. So here are what the wristbands look like. They say unicorn slime shop with our little logo on it, and on the back it says JosephAnthonii. These are going with every single order, and the first 50 orders are actually going to be getting this free 8 ounce slime. This is eggnog milkshake. I love this slime so much. It is so pretty. I had to just add some more sprinkles for the gram, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, this is a really nice slime. It is topped with marshmallow foam beads. They are super bubbly and crunchy when you mix it into the slime. It's amazing. This is scented just like what you would picture an eggnog milkshake to smell like. So just think of like eggnog plus like cake batter and ice cream. It just smells really good. I love the base as well to this slime. This is a thick and glossy slime with some clay added into it, so it has a really nice texture, especially with those foam beads. If you like wristbands and you love to collect them, this is going to be perfect for you. With any purchase of the big three, you get the corresponding wristbands. So you can get a Chanel No. 2 with a Chanel No. 2 wristband, a Baja Blast with Baja Blast, and Mud Mask with a Mud Mask purchase. These wristbands for now are super limited edition, and the only way to get them is with a purchase of one of the big three, and of course it is free. So speaking of the big three, I have some exciting news. It is finally here, Chanel No. 2 in 32 ounce sizes. Oh my god, I did not know how much I needed this. Like, it is amazing. You will love this thick queen right here. Oh my goodness. So if you are new to the shop, first of all, hey, what's up? This is Chanel No. 2. She is my queen for the unicorn slime shop. She's my best seller. This is scented like Bubblicious bubblegum, very thick and glossy, and I just love it so much. I will have this in 8 ounce sizes and in 32 ounce sizes. Next up from the big three, we have Baja Blast. If you love baby drizzles, then you came to the right place, honey, because Baja Blast is full of that, okay? This is an icy / cloud slime texture, so it kind of has like a little bit of drizzles from like the cloudiness of it, but it's more like an icy slime. You can kind of fluff it up a little bit, but it really just only has baby drizzles. The best part of this slime, honestly, besides the texture, is going to be the scent, because it smells exactly like a Baja Blast soda. It smells so good. If you haven't had a Baja Blast soda before, I can kind of explain the scent to you, but you really need to go out and get one. So go to your nearest Taco Bell and snatch one. Baja Blast is basically like a Mountain Dew. So if you have the Mountain Dew lemon lime soda, it is like a tropical version of that. So just think of like blue raspberry and pineapple thrown into the mix. It just smells so good, and you're definitely gonna need this one. And lastly, from the big three, this is my third bestseller here, creeping up there because this one is going toe-to-toe with Baja Blast sometimes. This is Mud Mask Oh my god, what can I tell you about this slime? You really need to feel it for yourself. I know I said that last time, but the texture is just something that I really can't explain. It almost feels like a mud mask, like literally like a mud mask. It smells so good. It is so squishy and the texture is just amazing. The sizzles is just everything. So first of all, this is a buttercream slime is what I like to call it. It is a mixture between a butter slime and a cloud cream. So I literally make a cloud cream and then turn it into a butter slime and then you get a buttercream. So that is the texture. It is scented like green tea and lemon. It smells so good. And this is just really one for the books. You know what I'm saying? You need to snatch it if you can. Now, you know I had to throw in a little duo for you all. These are so freaking cute. They are both 4-ounce sizes. So in the duo, you get a unicorn hot chocolate and a red velvet hot chocolate. I love this so much. So starting with the unicorn hot chocolate, it is scented just like unicorn hot chocolate. Unicorn hot chocolate, the original one, is raspberry and hot chocolate. So that is exactly what I scented this. It smells so good. The color of it is a little bit pinkish purple, so it doesn't look as pink as it looks on camera. And then it's topped with those marshmallow foam beads that look just like the colorful marshmallows that are on the OG unicorn hot chocolate. And of course, I had to top it off with some colorful glitters. Next up in the duo, this one is red velvet hot chocolate. I love it so much. It's scented just like the name, so red velvet and hot chocolate. It is literally mouth-watering. On the top there's actually some clay that you get to mix in yourself to make this a really cool clay slime, almost butter slime. I love it a lot. It is a white and red like clay mixed together just to kind of get that marbled effect. I really love this because when you mix it up, it gets super floofy and it's just amazing and spreadable. And like I said, the scent is mouth-watering. If you love Bath & Body Works, you're definitely going to love this next slime here. So this one here is Vanilla Bean Noel. It is scented just like Vanilla Bean Noel from Bath & Body Works, and it is amazing. So this is a sugar scrub slime. If you've never had one before, it is basically a slime that is meant to look like sugar scrub that you would find like at Lush or Bath & Body Works or any really cosmetic store, I'm sure has that. So yeah, that's exactly what it looks like, and it's really cool. It's clear based, yet it's scented. It will clear up a little bit more than this. It's just I've been like cramming the slime making into just a couple days because I needed to get ready for the Black Friday restock. Besides the point, this one is really nice. It's scented just like Vanilla Bean Noel, and there's a bunch of gold leaf in there, as you can see me mixing it here, just to make it look very pretty, and I really love this slime. Candy cane bark is one of my favorite treats during the holidays, so you know I had to stock it in slime. So this is it here. It is a thick and glossy white glue based slime, and it's just amazing. It's scented just like chocolate and peppermint, and I love it. It has some peppermint Fimo slices in there just to represent crushed up candy canes, and also some chocolate clay chunks to obviously represent chocolate. And there's also some white sprinkles that are kind of hard to see, but they're in there as well just for little toppings. And I just think this is super cute. It smells really good. Totally reminds me of wintertime. I am so obsessed with this slime right now. This one is Black Friday, obviously representing the holiday Black Friday, where all the shoppers go insane. I stocked this slime last year around this time, but it just has improved so much. So first of all, it is a true black now. Last time it was kind of on the purple side. This time it is legit jet black, and there are a bunch of black glitters in there that makes it look so pretty. It is so thick and glossy as well, unscented obviously, so that it can stay in tip-top shape for you all. And I just really love this slime. It is definitely one of my favorites this restock, and you should try to snatch it. Pearberry ice cream is another slime that I restocked about this time last year, I would say. This one is a really nice cloud cream texture, super thick, sizzly, and spreadable, and I love that for this slime. And it's scented just like pears and berries. I don't know why, but pears I always associate with the holidays. I don't know if it's like getting the catalogs of like all the pears and stuff. I don't know if anybody else gets those. Let me know in the comment section down below if you get those catalogs. It shows you like all the pears you can order for Christmas and stuff. Anyways, that is exactly what this slime is like representative of. I don't know if that even made sense. Anyways, this is just a really nice slime, and if you love sizzly thick cloud cream textures, this one's for you. Okay. Next one up is Christmas Candyland. This slime is so fun. So it starts off with this clear base here, and then I also include this little candy container filled with a bunch of foam beads. There are small red and green foam beads to represent Christmas, and then of course the large rainbow foam beads to represent Candyland. And you will get a random sweet treat charm hidden in that candy as well. So it's just really fun. This is definitely like an interactive slime. This would be perfect for Instagram. If you have an Instagram feed, you're gonna be blessed with this, let me tell you. I love this so much. It's so colorful and cute, and of course unscented to preserve the clarity. Now, you know I've been obsessed with bread slime lately, so this here is Gingy's bread. It's kind of a play on words like gingerbread, but it's the Gingy's bread, you know what I'm saying? So this is a bread slime. It is actually a buttercream texture, so it's super sizzly, as you can hear, and it's, you know, amazing. I was gonna say sizzly again, but yeah. Anyways, this is so good. It's scented just like gingerbread with a little hint of actual bread notes in there as well, and it's just amazing. It feels like bread dough, and if you're a bread slime and connoisseur, you're gonna need it. This next slime here is called Santa, and obviously it looks like Santa's suit. It just looks super, super cute. If the quality looks a little bit different, it's because I'm filming this on my phone because I wanted to do the drizzles justice now that I can, because this is the best cloud slime I have ever made. First of all, okay, it is scented like Coca-Cola because I just like love seeing Santa Claus and all the Coca-Cola commercials during the holidays. So that is why I kind of associated the two. And look at those drizzles. Like, if I can drizzle this slime, anybody can drizzle this slime because I'm literally the worst. This slime here is called 200K, and that is because I based this slime off of the video that I did thanking you all for 200,000 followers on Instagram. How crazy is that? If you're not following me, you should definitely add to that number and go follow me at Unicorn Slime Shop on Instagram. Anyways, this slime is representative of the video that I did, so it is a peachy colored base. This is actually scented like tropical bubblegum. It smells so good, and I'm so mad that I've never thought of that like scent combination before, because it's literally a bop. Let me tell you, this is a thick and glossy base slime with some clay in it. Totally reminds me of Chanel, but almost like kind of matte, yet matte to glossy. It's just very weird. And there are some yellow foam beads to represent the yellow clay that I put on top of that video. There's just a little bit just for texture and color. This slime is going to be a mega deal because for 8 ounces it's going to be $6, and you can still use a coupon on top of it. And if you're one of the first 50 people to snatch, you can get a free slime. Cotton Candy Loops is another one of my favorite slimes from this restock, just because I've never used these foam rings before and I freaking love them in a slime. They make the slime so bubbly and amazing. I love the base of this slime as well because it is a bop, let me tell you, girl. Anyways, this is a cotton candy scented slime. It's scented both like pink cotton candy and blue cotton candy, and there are pink and blue foam rings, and the base is like a light blue color, so if it doesn't look like super white, that's why. I love this so much. It reminds me of cereal, first of all. Anyways, that's besides the point. Why am I so like off topic right now? Help. It's so late. I'm so sorry, y'all. Anyways, this is a thick and glossy base slime scented just like pink and blue cotton candy with those foam rings on top, and it's just great. And lastly, we have Snow Globe, the slime that I didn't think was going to make it to this restock, y'all. I was so sad, but you all cheered me up and you told me to restock it anyways because you wanted to snatch it. So here it is. This is Snow Globe. It is representative of a snow globe. It's supposed to look just like a snow globe. So inside it actually holds, I would say, 11.5 ounces of slime. I don't know for a fact, but it's definitely a lot more than 8 ounces in here. And it is a really nice clear base slime with a bunch of aqua holographic glitters. It's super, super cute. And inside there are also some white foam beads to represent the snow in a snow globe. And then I also add a Christmas tree and a little random Christmas charm in there as well to live in your little snow globe. It's so, so cute. I love the container a lot because it's super durable and it seals itself with that little stopper in there. And yeah, I didn't poke this too much because I want to do a video on Instagram when it clears up so that I can show you all what it looks like. So yeah. So that is it for the Black Friday restock. I really hope you all enjoyed the slime and found something that you would like to purchase. Definitely try to be one of the first 50 orders so that you can get that free eggnog milkshake because that slime is so, so good and it smells amazing. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you all very freaking much. Again, I am so thankful for you all on this Thanksgiving and every single day. So I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. Hope you have a safe and great Black Friday. If you're gonna go out, don't get too crazy. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!